Good morning traders. Welcome to another live session. I'm Mo, the Mindset Day Trader, and we're here to have another trading session for New York. Just to open up, we are presently, let's just scroll this down a little bit. We are presently expensive, but we are very bullish today. I'm very bullish on the day. So let's see if we can catch some of these longs today. On the screen, here you're gonna see my levels pop up. So those are my game plan levels. Those tell me nice areas of interest. As you can see right now, we are in the 500s, so we're just above this long on stall level, so that's opened up some longs for me. Haven't taken any trades just yet. However, we did get a signal for one trade right now. I'm just not in it because I just turned on the charts. I just want to see what New York session wants to do, see where it wants to go, and then I can make some better judgments later. So I'm going to leave this on the screen for now. Let me know what you think. Okay, and also, as always, we have our dashboard here. Look at the bottom two. They tell you right now price action is bullish, so looking for longs can be a good idea. Just remember that the 4 hour we are a little expensive, so maybe you just want to manage your risk a little bit. And let's see what else we got going on today. Let me go on a higher time frame on my. Okay, so yeah, so if we can break out of this area here, we got a shot to really be bullish today. Let's see if we can go after some of those last month's highs, or if we get pushed back down to the 300s. We're still in that boat. So far things are looking pretty bullish. I could see price dropping down first before we make another push onward and upward. And let's see, yeah, we had a nice push back down to that level at around 845, so that's pretty cool. So we had that there, and now it's just a wait and see. It's a wait and see game. That's all we're doing right now. We're just waiting to see what price wants to do. So until then, just sit back, relax. There's no real trades going on at the moment. Once I see a setup, you'll see it on the screen, and if I'm not in a trade, I'll call it out. And then after every session, we go back, we break it down, we see what was happening, and see if we can make some good process-driven trades. And then let's see what that turns out to as far as P&L wise. Other than that, welcome. Please don't forget to drop a like, and let's get ready for some live signals. And as always, all these indicators are available to you at TWA Indicators. That's TWA Indicators. You can go to, just follow me on Discord. I can give you an invite to the Discord, and there's also I do have a promo code Moji Trades if you would like a break off of these indicators, a little taste of it for the first month, see if you like them. Now, I'm very bullish on the day. Let's see if New York wants to keep me bullish or not. Okay, so we're about 5 minutes to open. So I just want to point out something. You can see on the pinpoint trigger here that it's yellow. And what I've found, when this trigger coloring is yellow like this, I don't like to enter trades on it. The reason being is, think of it like the TPO, right? Where literally price can go either way. No one's really in control, and there's no weakness and no strength on either side, so they're like basically even. So yes, you can get a good TP1, obviously, but if you're looking for runners, maybe it's not the best. But what do I know, right? I'm only a regular guy, who enjoys trading because of the discipline it takes. I get to train discipline every day. It's almost like I'm doing martial arts while sitting here on the charts. Okay, we're at yesterday's close, so this might be a good level for a long. We got 4 minutes to open. It's all right. So until then, I'll be on the screen. I'll be right back, and let's see what happens at this open. All right, we are open and we are off to the races. We are off to the races here. Let's see if I can get in this trade. Let's see. Okay, I'm in. Let's see if I can get risk-free. Nah, I'll be out pretty quick. All right, I'm risk-free on this trade. Risk-free long, risk-free long, risk-free long. Let's go. We absolutely exploded. That's what I wanted to see. Bingo. Let's go. That was a good trade. You didn't miss anything. That was just the long right off the open. A little long right off the open. I'm just waiting for another shot. I got risk-free. I got taken out, the runner. That's fine by me, because I'll just sit and wait for another entry. This is what I love about it. I know I didn't miss a darn thing. Just let it come back, let it settle, and then see if we can get one that we can take the whole day. Alright, so we see we're pushing back down, that's fine. Let it. Because why? Because I really want to see if I'm looking at this, the price action and the session control right here, these two. I want to see what they really want to do today. How quickly we went from bullish signs to bearish signs, so I want to see if it stays that way. If it does stay that way, I'm looking for it to come down to that long on stall level, which is 21,490. I give it a 20-point cushion, so you could say up to 5, 10, 20-ish, and as low as 470. So you got that range there. All right, so we got prove it again to Gabby Button, but right now I'm just wait and see. Wait and see. We only got 3 minutes into this open, so didn't miss a thing. Caught a nice 20-point trade to start the day. I'm working on just keeping myself nice and relaxed. Alright, well, now I got this. Then, okay. That up to there. I'm gonna see where we are. Alright, can we stay above here? Okay, we got a sell button here, but again, for me, I'm bullish right now. So I'm just gonna give it some time. Give it 10 minutes. Always remember, if you want live trading with excellent traders who can give you real-time analysis and help and support, please check out the Discord, the TWA Discord, and don't forget to shout out two of the top traders that I've ever met at TWA DC and at TWA Cloud Kicking, because those guys are excellent. They're excellent teachers, they're excellent traders, and excellent people. So always check them out. You can see how we kind of price didn't accept into this expensive box just yet. You know, I mean, it's early. It's only 9:38, so just keep that in mind. So we got one trade in. TP1 was successful. Okay, here we go. Price is starting to break down. Let's see if it wants to break to the level, and if it stalls out at that level around the 490s. That was a nice short setup, to be honest with you, right there. Bang, bang. But let's see. Let's see if my long theory stays true or does it flip. So present price action is bearish. Okay, we got a long signal coming. Be ready. See if we want to take this now. Check this out. Price action, however, is still bearish, so just be careful. I'm really learning to look at the dashboard for price action. Let's see if this is one worth taking or not. You know what? I'm gonna give it the 4 minutes. Let it settle. Okay, timing wise, trigger wise, we have the okay. Let's see. You know what? I'm gonna watch. I have a little hesitation. I'm just gonna watch. I want to see what happens. We're gonna do this live test right now. We're gonna see how price can push with that session control and the price action as bearish. See how long it takes to flip. Let's see. Just watching here, just watching to see what happens. So this was a long entry, by the way, just so you know, signal wise, yes, this was a long entry. I had hesitation because of this right here. I didn't like the fact that these are still bearish. So what could happen, right? Yes, if you trade similar to my style and you have a take profit one to reduce your risk, you could hit it and your runner can be absolutely risk free. But will it run? That's what I'm testing live right now. You see how quickly this went to bullish. So this is blue is bearish weakness. You see how quickly it went to bullish weakness, which is the purple. Gotta keep an eye on those. So again, just a little recap. I took one trade. You can see there. Took one trade, got 20 points. Now I'm just waiting to see what's a good area to, if there's another trade. And you can see above my head right here, I have my levels overlaid on the chart. They're not drawn on the chart just because I don't like my chart to be too cluttered. I have enough as it is. Yeah, I have enough as it is. I have enough information on my chart that I want. This is just a little overlay so you guys can see my game plan. Game plan worked. If you were on around between 8:30 8:45, it did hit that 940 level and came up and made a new structure high just before coming down. So these levels are really showing their money right now. Alright, so it's 9:45. Let's see what New York wants to do, if we're gonna dance around here till the new 4-hour. I'm still bullish on the day. I'm just now looking for a proper entry point. we break above this point, we're gonna fly. Absolutely fly. Well, it could push down again if it wants to. I wouldn't mind that. Well, we can see now, even though the price action and concession control is bearish, the bulls are definitely pushing, because you can see from that trigger we had, price is pushing its way up. So I just would have liked to found a better entry point. Ooh, that's a buy too. All right, so we are really expensive here to be buying in. Just so if you're gonna buy in, I would lower your contracts. Definitely lower the contract size. You know, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take my own advice. Lower my contract size. I'm not in anything yet. Not in any trades yet. I had one nice 20-pointer this morning. All right. Let's check out, see what's happening with Discord. All right, now we're starting to see it. All right, now we're starting to see a little change in price action. You're gonna see it here soon. That's what I like to see. Maybe by the new 4-hour, we'll get some nice entry points. ATR is 12. It's really good. There we go. Okay, that's just watch to see how price works. It's flipping back and forth now. Let's see if it wants to stay that way for the new $4. Okay. Now we just need a new 4 hour to give us some new context, and might be a good long opportunity coming up. Entries just yet. Just the one from the open. See, we got 6 minutes till the new 4 hour forecaster. Bump this over a little bit so we can see. We had two excellent signals for longs here. Push down a bit. Just push down a little bit. I would like to see this surge cycle through just like this. Didn't get another entry point, but this was nice. This was a nice entry from here. 1, 2, 3. That was classic textbook. Hesitated on context and on price action at the time. How many minutes we have left? 3 minutes left. Man, I hesitated on that one. That sucks. That was a really good spot too. That means that if it has to now cycle through again, this could take at least another 15 minutes before another opportunity. Hopefully this will be a nice little pull back so to get a good entry. You know what? You can't hit them all, man. Can't hit them all. That's good. Yay, come on. Push it down a bit. Alright, here we go. New 4 hour. Good news today. This looks like a news drop. This definitely looks like a news drop. Hold on. Your news today. I don't think so. Let's see. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Today is what? The third? No, there's no news today. June 5th, we have initial jobless claims. Nope. Yeah, no news today, so not sure why we had that little spike. Oh, this is tough to watch. This is a tough one to watch right now. All right, so let's a little recap. So this is a tough one to watch take off. Why? Because I had the signal, I had the trigger. What made me hesitate? I think one was the price action at the time. So next time I'll probably go less contracts if price action doesn't match my direction at the time. And same thing, maybe the answer is just reduce contract size and just see how far I can go, rather than trying to that's it. That's what it was. Yeah, that's what happens when I put profits before process. I hesitate. Well, maybe I'll get another opportunity. Whole thing to cycle through again. Oh, we'll see. Alright, so I'm going to do what any smart trader will do when you completely are in your own head right now. So I'm actually going to take a walk. What does that mean? I'm going to step outside for about a minute or two. I'm going to keep the stream's going to be going. The stream's going to be still running. But I personally just need to just step out for a second just so I can regather my thoughts. And then hopefully we can see what happens, right? So I'll be back. Give me about 3 minutes. Thanks.